What it do? Tip of the day is newness. It was my mom's 70th anniversary yesterday. If you ask her, she'll tell you she turned 50. Amen. But I believe in newness for her. You know, my mom's been diagnosed with dementia. But no matter what the circumstances look like, I still believe that my mom's latter days are going to be better. Yes, she's in a facility now. You know, not somewhere I would want her to be, but she's happy. She actually seems more happier now than she did when she was living by herself. So you got to look at the positive, the newness. What has God shown in you in your future of newness for your family? So I still believe on that. No matter what happens, no matter what it looks like physically, I believe God is going to restore newness to my mom, newness to my family, newness to be able to provide her latter days just with fire and blessings and abundance. So keep your mind right. Stay focused. What are you next to get newness? Let's go. Bam!